friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing about the stocks which are giving some good potential and good probability setup for tomorrow. Plus we'll be analyzing Nifty for different time frames. So this is the Nifty futures chart and this is the daily time frame. As you can see, as this is the all-time high which Nifty has made back in October, and around this area Nifty is facing a stiff resistance, but I don't see any likelihood of a complete retracement like this, something like this. It may or may not happen, but the probability of not happening it looks much more higher because Nifty has been holding in this area from 3-4 trading sessions, and if there was a possibility of a meltdown it would have already started, seems so. So what we may see will be something like this. It will be a grinding session in uh, coming trading sessions, and it may give a breakout after that. In this area Nifty might be gathering the steam, and after that might present a good opportunity to the upside, and breaking this structure it can be a very bullish scenario to the upside, giving a good target to the bulls and to the long positions. So if you see over the 15-minute time frame, you will see that after this high was made, it was a correction here, and after that the next highs which were getting made were not very extended. There were minor extensions. You can see the extensions to the upside are not having very good projections. That means a correction to the downside was evident. So after that we have just seen that there was a correction here, and we came back in the region of somewhere around 18115 futures chart. After that, in today's trading session, we have seen and looks like we are again turning to the upside, maybe in a short term, but still Nifty seems to be turning to the upside. So our potential for tomorrow trading session should be something like this. Once it has broken this range, I mean the range of 18 to 67 to 18 228, so we should be looking something like this. If it gives a retracement, our long entry should be somewhere around 260, 18 to 67 or 18 to 70, keeping the stop loss somewhere around 18 to 30 or 18 to 25. And after that, we will be trailing the stop losses as the new swing low is created, something like this. So we need to keep trail just like that. So if the potential of Nifty to the upside has already started, as you can see, it may be starting to a you know new trend to the upside. So it will give a good potential, and we will be able to capture the good move. So this is the strategy which I am thinking to implement tomorrow and in the coming trading sessions. Uh, the strategy which you are working or which you see, please try to post in the comment section so that we can discuss that what is the most probable case scenario. All right, so let's look at the stocks which I have just selected and are giving some good momentum to the upside. These days, I'm instead focusing on the momentum side stocks, which may give a good momentum to the upside. The first one is Bhel, and it has been moving quite good, and it looks like a good candidate for buy or long trades. So we'll be focusing on this impulse, and this is a very small correction to the downside. And once this correction is finished, we might see a breakout above 75.35, where we will be initiating a buy position. We will be keeping the SL around 73.8, 8, and the further plan of action should be something like this. We will be trying to capture most of the trend until it bends like this. So keep trailing until you get the stop loss hit. The next one will be trend. Trend, as you can see, it is also making a move to the upside after breaking this structure. These swing lows, which were being created here, have been broken to the upside. There can be both scenarios. We can implement the pullback study as well, but I don't see that after this upthrust, it will be giving a very deep retracement. If it gives a very deep retracement like this, and if you see something like this, just open the trade somewhere around 61.8. Simple strategy, keeping the stop loss just over here 1359 over this swing low. Otherwise, if it is not giving a decent correction, then open the trade around 1413, keeping the stop loss just over here 1397, and just keep trailing until it stops you out. Next one is India Bus Housing. After this steep correction to the downside, it has just gone into consolidation, and what I see, this is a very high beta stock, and if it breaks above this congestion area, we should open a buy position around 126 with a sell of 124.3, and the next process will be just wait and watch. I mean, just wait, and once a new swing low has been formed, move your stop loss in a staircase way. Another trade for a long position and a decent strong long position can be Bank of Baroda, and many of the stocks like PNB and PSU banks have been on a roller coaster ride these days. So this stock has been consolidating from 3 4 trading sessions in this area. It has given a strong breakout of today above this congestion area, and I see if it gives a minor pullback around 166.5, just grab this stock, keep a very small stop loss somewhere around 165, and after that, if it is able to clear this area of 168, yeah, 168, 169, then I think it should be a show for this particular stock. It can make a good move, 4 5% move to the upside. So keep this one on the watch list. So these are the stocks, guys, which I think can give a good potential in the coming trading session or sessions, and you should keep them on watch list. And once you see a very small risk entry, you should get into the trade. So this is all for the current video. Hope you like the content. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever a new content is posted to the channel. And if you are having any suggestion content related or any queries, or if you want some of the stuff to be get analyzed technically, just post in the comment section. I will be taking it up. Till then, thank you very much.